Hello SharePoint community. I'm Paul Shkurikhin, Managing Director of SharePoint List, creators of Navigator 365. Today I want to introduce our latest update designed for SharePoint events. Our customers wanted a better way to manage events, and we've created just that. On screen, you can see a tenant-wide events view. Notice how you can expand or collapse years and months, view properties, and use the search and filter functions all in one place. The Events by Site view organizes the same events differently. You can see 8 sites displayed here, but our app can handle as many sites as you need. Notice the distinctive icons showing date and time information. When you don't see the time portion, it means this is an all-day event. Let's browse to Leadership site right from here, where we can see the same web part showing upcoming events for this specific site only. Here is 2023 at a glance, organized by month. And if you prefer, here is a completely flat view as well. Now let's create a new board for this year using our configuration wizard. First, we'll give our board a name. The wizard offers options to select specific sites and calendars, but for this demo, we'll keep it simple and gather data from all of SharePoint. Let's select events from the type of data, apply the default preset, and our board is ready. By default, the wizard groups items by physical location. Let's customize that to better organize our events. Let's remove current groupings and add Manage Property grouping. I'm selecting Event Date OWS date here, the standard SharePoint Manage property that tracks event start dates. When I select date as the type, we now get access to these transformation patterns. This is a powerful feature that automatically creates nested groupings based on your selection. We can organize by year, month and day, or simply by day, month or year individually. For example, if I select year, month, day, the app will create a 3-level hierarchy. For our current year board, I'm selecting just month as our pattern, which will group all events by month of the year. Now I'm naming this grouping level and selecting a calendar icon. As you can see, the content is organizing correctly into month, but we need to take 2 adjustments. We are currently seeing events from all years mixed together, and they are not appearing in the right order. Now I need to set up proper sorting and filtering. I'm configuring the search to sort events in ascending order using the same Event Date OWS date manage property. Next, I'm adding a filter condition to display only 2025 events. There is one more important setting I need to adjust. I'm enabling the Based on Search Source option to ensure our display doesn't override the search order we just set up. Watch how the entire board transforms as these settings take effect. Now we have a perfectly organized view of just our 2025 events in chronological order. Now let's customize how our events appear on the board. First, I'm selecting the day, month, and time option. See how this removes year component from event info? Now I'm switching to the day and month option. Notice how this simplifies the display by removing the time element. Let's go back to the full event option. This gives us the most complete view of each event, which I think works best for our 2025 events board. Since this is a new tenant with freshly created events, they're all marked as new, but we can turn it off in settings. And there we have it, a complete 2025 events board with custom organization, built in minutes. You can even explore specific events, like the upcoming M365 conference in Las Vegas. If you're attending Las Vegas conference, please visit our booth to learn more. See you there!